Welcome back, everyone. With the snow and the heavy winds all across Iowa today, a lot of eyes are on the highways and on the interstates, basically just to make sure that they're clear for the drivers who have to get out there today. So we've got Craig Bargfrede with Iowa DOT just to give us an update on where those highways stand. Craig, thank you so much for being here. First of all, we'll just jump right to it. How are the roads looking right now from everyone you've got out in the field?
So we're still seeing road conditions across the western half of Iowa being very poor condition, travel not advised. We have a number of areas that are still impassable, especially along the I-35 corridor just north of Des Moines and along the I-80 corridor from west of Des Moines going on over to the Evoque area. We've had a number of accidents and incidents that have happened in those areas. And we're just still trying to clean up and get the roads back to near normal condition.
And of course, we appreciate all the work that you guys are doing to do so. How many crews are out there out there on the roads just trying to get all this resolved? I know they're spread out all over the place.
So just before I came on, I double checked, and we're just over 650 plows across the state out working the system.
Are most of those concentrated in central Iowa? Are they western Iowa? Where's everyone at?
Highest concentration is probably going to be in the western half of Iowa. We're really not seeing the event impacting the far eastern portion of the state and then down into the southeastern corner of the state right now.
Now, you were just talking about things right there along I-35, and we were telling everyone there at the beginning of the newscast about that crash that shut down that area around Ankeny and Ames. I know that's had a big impact. When you have wrecks like these, when people are getting out there, they get into these accidents, how does that impact your efforts to get the road? I would imagine it slows things down.
Obviously, it's going to have a huge impact on our ability to clean off that roadway and get it back to near normal condition. So we have to do our best to wait and be patient for the first responders and the towing companies to remove that debris and remove those vehicles so we can get back out there and do our job. So that's why we ask people, especially on days like today, if you don't have to travel, please just stay home. Conditions are very dangerous out there, very treacherous. Visibility is very, very poor. So these are reasons what you just described why we are, us and the State Patrol are asking folks just to stay home.
The best advice right there that you can give anyone. Craig, we appreciate your time, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for everything you guys do as well.
You bet. Thank you.